BMW has started delivering the iX5 hydrogen hybrid. The automaker is building the new model at its Munich Exploration and Development Center, with the vehicles scheduled to turn into an innovation demonstrators in select business sectors beginning the following spring. Around 900 individuals work at the organization's exploration community, with representatives chipping away at up to 6 vehicle projects all the while. This is where BMW fabricates each model interestingly, guaranteeing the item and the assembling system are prepared for full creation. Hydrogen is a flexible energy source that plays a critical part to play as we progress towards environment lack of bias, said Blunt Weber, an individual from the leading group of the board at BMW liable for improvement. The organization will utilize its iX5 hydrogen test armada to dive deeper into the innovation as the organization accepts a blend of battery electric and power module electric vehicles is required. Weber noticed that FCEVs don't need the basic natural substances vital for battery creation, like cobalt, lithium, or nickel. The iX5 starts its life in the organization's Spartanburg manufacturing plant in the US. In Germany, the hybrid gets another floor intended to oblige 2 hydrogen tanks that are situated in the focal passage and under the back seat. BMW introduces the 12 and 400-volt electric frameworks, the Elite presentation battery, the energy units, and the electric engine during the get-together stage. Once gathered and painted, BMW puts the hybrid under a far-reaching functional check at its Aschheim test focus. Notwithstanding, the iX5 previously finished an escalated testing program paving the way to its creation. BMW isn't the only one in its hydrogen attempts. Honda reported for this present week that it will send off a hydrogen power module EV in 2024. It'll be founded on the famous CR-V hybrid that got a huge update for the 2023 model year. Like BMW, Honda is taking extraordinary consideration with the model's low-volume creation, building it in its presentation assembling center in Ohio, where it makes race vehicles, the Acura NSX, and Acura's PMC release models. Assuming we have a lot of familiarity with the future, it's that it isn't firmly established. Automakers face new vulnerabilities with electric vehicles, and the absence of a hardy charging framework doesn't help. In any case, hydrogen faces comparative impediments, however that hasn't halted BMW, Hyundai, and others from proceeding to investigate the innovation's feasibility.